Your app runs perfectly on your laptop. You push it to the production server, it crashes. Your machine has Python 3.11. The server has 3.8. Your OS is Ubuntu 22. The server runs 20. You spend 2 days debugging an environment problem, not even your actual code. There has to be a better way. What if you could seal your entire environment into one portable box? Your app code, the Python runtime, the OS layer, every dependency, all locked together at the exact versions that work. You push that sealed box to any server. The server does not need Python installed. It does not care about its OS version. It just runs the box and gets the exact same environment every single time. No more crashes. No more 2-day debugging sessions. In Docker, this sealed box is called an image. When that box is actually running on a server, that running environment is called a container. Let us now look at exactly what that means. A Docker image is a read-only blueprint. It contains the OS layer, runtime, dependencies, and your application code built once from a Docker file and frozen. It never changes after that. A container is a live running instance created from that image. You can launch dozens of containers from the same image at the same time, each one fully isolated, like its own mini operating system. Think of the image as a cookie cutter and the container as the cookie. One cutter, unlimited cookies. The cutter is never consumed. Deleting a cookie never damages the cutter. The Docker build lifecycle has exactly 3 steps. You write a Docker file, Docker build reads it and produces a read-only image. Then Docker run creates a live container from that image. From a single image, you can spin up as many containers as you need, all running the same application, completely independent of each other. Log this in. An image is your sealed, portable environment, immutable, permanent. A container is that environment running live. Remember the production crash? With Docker, your laptop and your server run the exact same image. Same box, same result, everywhere.